Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get Peacock on Roku. Let's go. If you can't install the app, make sure that the card is linked to your Roku account. First way, open Roku app. Select your Roku device. Apps on Roku. Store. Find Peacock. Or use search. Add. Down. Second way, use Roku App Store. Open search, find Peacock. Add app. Done. That's it. Now you know how to get Peacock on Roku. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.